DB2 GPS Tracker. Never lose your vehicle again, real-time global tracking, alerts, and no contracts. Say goodbye to the stress of losing track of your vehicle with the Rewire Security DB2 GPS Tracker. This game-changing device offers unmatched real-time tracking for your car, truck, or motorcycle, ensuring you're always in the know, wherever your journey takes you. Unlike other trackers, the DB2 is hardwired for seamless operation, no more worrying about charging or missing out on crucial updates. It's a true set-it-and-forget-it solution. What sets the DB2 apart? For starters, its comprehensive suite of features includes geofencing, instant notifications, and route history playback. You'll receive alerts for everything from ignition status to unauthorized movement, all in real time. Whether you're tracking a single car or managing a fleet, this GPS tracker provides all the tools you need for peace of mind and enhanced security, all accessible via our user-friendly GPS Live app. One of the standout features of the DB2 is its global 4G LTE coverage. With full coverage across the US, Canada, and beyond, you can stay connected no matter where the road leads. This isn't just a GPS tracker, it's a worldwide guardian for your vehicle. Plus, the DB2's affordable subscription plans mean you can tailor your coverage to your needs without being locked into long-term contracts, freedom and flexibility at your fingertips. Why choose the DB2 over other options? It's simple. The DB2 is built for durability and reliability, ensuring it stands the test of time. Whether it's the heat of summer or the chill of winter, this tracker keeps going, providing consistent, accurate data day in and day out. And with features like tow alerts and power disconnection warnings, you'll always be a step ahead of potential issues, saving you both time and money. In conclusion, the Rewire Security DB2 GPS Tracker is the ultimate choice for those who refuse to compromise on quality, effectiveness, or affordability. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in the security and efficiency of your vehicle management. Get ready to experience unparalleled tracking power with DB2, the GPS tracker that's got your back every mile of the way.